Let us discuss about noun. Now, everyone, children, you are not answering. Come on, what is a noun? Noun is a
Noun is a naming
naming
word.
word. Names
Naming
of
words.
people, places, animals,
Places,
and things.
animals,
Tell me again.
and
Names
man.
of
Noun is
people.
a naming
Pick
word.
all your names.
Places,
Your mother name, your father name, your brother name, sister name, friend's name. All this comes as,
mother
all the
name
names
is
are known as noun. And next, animals names. Cat, dog, okay, a tiger, elephant, all these are the names of animals. So these also comes under nouns. Next, places.
noun.
Places like Warangal, Hyderabad, America, okay, Goa,
And
or
this is
zoo,
India, no?
okay,
I
zoo,
will go.
India,
I go
all
to
these,
the India.
all these places names also comes under a noun. Now things. Things like, just now Mayuri told, the car, book, pencil, eraser, okay, benches, all these things comes under nouns. Okay, now tell me, what is a noun? Noun is a naming
Noun
word.
is a naming
Repeat
word.
everyone. Noun is
Noun is a
a
naming word.
naming word. The names of, come on, tell me. It
Noun
refers
is
the
a
names
naming
of
word. Animal.
people, places, animals, things. Okay, now what is a pronoun? What is a pronoun? Tell me, what is a pronoun?
Pronounce.
Pronouns are used instead of a noun. Pronouns are used instead of a noun. For boys, what we will use? We will use he or his. For girls, she or her. For animals, it. For things also we use it. Yes. He, she, it, his, her, they. These are all the few examples of pronouns. Okay, children. Now let us see adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. Let us see now. See, children. Look at the screen, everyone. Everyone look at the screen. Don't write, beta. Just try to understand first, then I'll make you to write again, okay? Look at the screen, everyone. Tell me, what are adjectives? A word which modifies noun. Just now we have discussed what is a noun and pronoun. Yes?
Pronoun.
Now see.
Example, tall
Noun.
tower, fat pig.
Next, pronoun. A word which modifies noun or pronoun. Noun, naming words. Pronoun used instead of a noun. So adjectives, what they will do? Adjectives, all the words of adjectives will modify the noun or pronoun. Now let us see the examples here. Tall tower. Tower is a noun. Tower is a noun. And
What
tall.
is a
Tall
noun?
is a describing word, okay,
What is a
which is
describing word?
modifying a
What is a
noun.
describing word?
Suryansh. Suryansh. T Suryansh. Next one, pig. Pig is a
Fat
name
pig.
of an animal. It is also a noun. Fat. Fat is a describing word. It is modifying a pig. So how is the pig? Fat pig.
It
How is
will
the pig? Small pig. Okay.
be
Why
fat.
pig? So these are all the adjectives. Next one, dinosaur. A very huge, big animal. Yes, huge is a describing word. Red
Dinosaur is
rose.
very big.
Rose is the name of a flower. Okay. And how is the rose? What is the color of the rose? Red. Red is the
Noun.
color. So it is a describing word. These are all describing words which modifies a noun or pronoun. Now let us see some more examples.
An example.
See here some more examples. Already this we have discussed. Now once again we are revising this topic, right? Adjectives. It is a describing word.
Bird.
It is a describing word.
This
Now see, bedroom. How is the
describing
bedroom?
word.
Messy. Messy. Lots of things are thrown here and there. Now rainbow. How is the rainbow? Beautiful. It's so beautiful with all the 7 colors. Pizza. Pizza is so delicious. Delicious is a describing word. It is called
This
an
is a describing
adjective.
word.
Okay. Now children, can you tell me? Can you tell me here? Blue shirt. What is a noun and what is an adjective in this blue shirt? Can you tell me? Tell me. Blue is an Sai Ritvik. What I'm asking, listen here. Blue shirt.
Blue shirt.
Now tell me, in these two words, what is an adjective and what is a noun?
Blue is a noun.
Blue is a
Noun.
no.
Noun.
Blue is an adjective. Is describing shirt. Shirt is the name of a dress which we are wearing, which we will wear.
Ma'am,
So
can I read
shirt
on ma'am? This is
is a
Swarnika.
noun, beta.
Hello.
Shirt is a
Hello, ma'am.
shirt is a
Noun.
shirt is a noun. And blue is a blue. Blue is adjective because we are describing how is a shirt. How is a shirt. Next one you see shiny mirror. SHINY, shiny mirror. Can you tell me what is a shiny?
Noun.
Which one, beta? Which is the noun?
Mirror.
Very good. Mirror is a noun and shiny is a
Adjective.
adjective. Very good. Shiny is a an adjective. Swarnika, you raised your hand. Swarnika, speak out.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Can I read that? What is so great?
Swarnika, you are not audible, but I cannot hear you. Tell me, Swarnika. Swarnika. Okay. So now see, children. Next one we have tiny ladybug. Tiny ladybug. TINY. Tiny
Ladybug.
bug. Can you tell me which is the noun here? Can you tell me now?
Ladybug.
Very good. Ladybug is a noun and tiny is a
Adjective.
yes, it is an adjective. Very good, children. So these are these are all an examples of adjectives. Now let us see a small video on adjectives. Are you ready? Are you ready,
Yes,
students, for
ma'am.
adjectives?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, let's
ma'am.
start now.
Yes, ma'am.
Adjectives. Describing words. Words that describe the quality of a person, animal, place, or thing are called adjectives. Words for numbers, colors, size, and shape are also adjectives. For example, smart boy, green parrot, big hall, round ball, one hen and two chicks. So, we see that words used to describe quality, color, size, shape, and number are called adjectives. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells, or sounds like. For example, beautiful girl, salty chips, soft pillow, fresh fragrance, loud music. Here, beautiful describes the looks of the girl. Salty describes the taste of the chips. Soft describes the feel of the pillow. Fresh describes the fragrance of the perfume. And loud describes the sound of the music.
Wait.
Now, next topic, what are we going to discuss as a part of revision? We are going to discuss about prepositions. Okay? What are
Yes,
prepositions?
preparation.
Tell me, what are prepositions? Preposition is a word which is
Preposition
used
of the word.
before a noun, phrase, or pronoun, connecting it to another word. It shows the position of a thing. It tells us the position of a thing. Where is the ball? Where is the cat? Where is the boy sitting? Okay. So, where are the position? Where the positions of the things shows Okay, children. Preposition shows us the position of a thing and it is placed before a noun, phrase or a pronoun, connecting it to another word. Now see here. Say this. In. You can see the first example of preposition is in. Where is the bird? The bird is in the tree. There is a hole, yes, in the tree and the bird is taking rest inside the tree. In, on. Where is the bird? The bird is sitting on the tree. On. Under. Where is the bird? The bird is under. See, it is under the tree. Over. Where is the bird? The bird is over. It is not touching the tree. You can see here. It is flying over the tree. Near. Near. The two birds are sitting near to each other. See, far. One bird you can see here. It is very far than the second bird. Up. It is going up. The bird is flying up. The bird is coming down. See, you can see here, it's the beak of the bird. It shows the difference, okay? Next one, let us see some more examples. Now you have to tell me, children. Tell me now. Everyone, you can unmute yourself and you have to answer me. Where is the cat?
On the bench, cat on the table.
Very good. Where is the cat? On the. So here what? Yes, on the table. And where is the vase? Flower vase?
On the table. On the table.
Yes, on the table. Where is the book? Yes, on the bench. Where is the boy?
The boy is over the tree.
Over.
No, on the bench.
On the bicycle. On the bicycle.
The boy is sitting on the bicycle.
Yes. Now tell me the next one. See some more examples here. Now tell me what the man is doing. What the boy is doing here. The boy is
Jumping over the fence.
yes, the boy is jumping over the fence. What is the dog doing?
The dog is also jumping on the fence.
The dog is jumping over the fence. And where is the plane? Aeroplane. Over the sea or ocean. Very good. Okay, children, now let us see the video on prepositions. Ready?
Preposition words, prepositions. Do you know what a preposition is? A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, an animal, a place, or a thing is. In this way, preposition words connect a noun or a pronoun to another noun or pronoun. Some examples of prepositions are on, in, under, and over. In other words, on, in, under, and over are position words. Let us now look at some uses of these position words. The book is on the table. Here, on tells us where the book is. So, on is a preposition. The teddy is in the cupboard. Here, in tells us where the teddy is. So, in is a preposition. The rabbit is under the tree. Here, under tells us where the rabbit is. So, under is a preposition. The cat is jumping over the chair. Here, over tells us where the cat is. So, over is a preposition.